What is the keto diet? The idea behind the keto diet is to lower and replace your carbohydrate intake with healthy fats. This helps your body lose weight by burning fat for energy. Numerous health benefits include weight loss, lower blood sugar and insulin levels. It shifts the body's metabolism from carbohydrates to fat and ketones. This diet can prevent the onset of certain diseases, and you can still enjoy a wide variety of food. There are several versions of the keto diet. Standard ketogenic diet. This diet is a very low-carb, moderate protein and high-fat diet. It typically contains 70% fat, 20% protein, and only 10% carbohydrates. Cyclical ketogenic diet. This diet involves periods of higher carb refeeds, such as 5 keto days, followed by 2 high carbohydrate days. Targeted ketogenic diet. This diet allows you to eat carbohydrates around workouts. High protein ketogenic diet. This is similar to a standard keto diet, but includes more protein. The ratio is often 60% fat, 35% protein, and 5% carbohydrates. What is ketosis? Ketosis is when your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. This occurs when you consume fewer carbohydrates, thus limiting your body's supply of glucose, which is the main energy for cells. The keto diet can be effective in helping you to lose weight. You can stay fuller for longer and feel less hungry, and it can prevent the onset of prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. When you eat less than 50 grams of carbohydrates daily, your body eventually runs out of quick-use fuel, known as blood sugar. So then your body starts to break down protein and fat for energy. This is what leads to weight loss. What foods to avoid in the keto diet? Examples of foods to avoid are sugary foods such as fruit juice, smoothies, fizzy drinks, cake and ice cream. Avoid grains and wheat-based products like rice, pasta and cereal. Avoid fruit except small portions of berries like strawberries. Avoid peas, kidney beans, lentils, chickpeas, potatoes, sweet potatoes, carrots and parsnips. Also avoid condiments such as salad dressings, barbecue sauce, ketchup and mayonnaise. Avoid alcohol and sugar-free desserts. What foods to eat in the keto diet? Examples of food that you can eat are red meat, steak, chicken and turkey, fatty fish such as salmon, trout, tuna and mackerel, eggs, butter, unprocessed cheese like cheddar, goat, blue and mozzarella, nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds. Healthy oils such as extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Also green vegetables, tomatoes, onions, peppers and condiments such as salt, pepper, herbs and spices. It's important to remember that if you have pre-existing medical conditions, then you should make diet changes slowly and in consultation with your doctor. We hope you found the information in this video useful.